In this session, I am going to discussing about how to transfer data from one Excel to another Excel. So here I am having two Excels. So one is the input Excel and another one is the output Excel. So in the input Excel, I am having some data, employee data. So we have to copy this data into output file. Its output template is empty. So with help of the Excel based application, we can able to do that. So I'm creating one Excel copy copy data. So and I'm going to click on the create option. Coming to the Excel commands, so first of all we have to open input sheet, then pass the desktop. In the desktop options we have to pass input sheet path, right? And I am going to pass the input sheet path. After this we have to specify the session name. In the local I'm giving the session name as input. Save this one. And second one is that, so parallelly I am going to open output sheet as well, destination sheet as well. So pass output sheet path as well. Just remove double quotes, and I'm giving the session name as output and save it. So I want to retrieve data from input. With help of get functions, get methods, we can able to do that. So with help of get all cells, I'm going to read entire data from input sheet. Just change the session name and create one table variable and create it, save it with help, and I'm going to loop command. In the loop we can able to read the data from table data. So we are having the table data for each row in a table. So I'm selecting this one and I'm selecting the table data variable and create one record variable. So I have created one record variable and created, then assign this data into table data into create variable. Click on the save. So parallelly I am, so inside of the loop I have to set data into output sheet. With help of set cell command I can able to do that, right? So coming to set cells command, the session name of the output is that output. So specify the session. Okay, so I have to create one counter variable. So I am creating the one counter variable for the loop, for the to increase the cell like A1, A2, A3 cell value. So I am creating counter and giving the default value as a 1. So here I am giving the counter, right? It's here. I'm going to call the counter and convert this counter into to string, right? And the cell value is that, so already we are assigned table data into row wise, right? So I am giving the column 1, it's a 8 output. On the same manner I'm going to give to remaining 3 columns as well. So just this copy paste, change the address of B and column address is B, and the same manner we can do it for column C as well. So change the C and assign column C, and we have to increase counter as well, right? With help of the number function we can increase the number. So in the number we are having the incremental command. In the incremental command we have to give counter plus 1, right? For every loop it will increase the counter value, and run the bot and save output and input both sheets. Close in the Excel. So save output sheet and give the session name output. The same manner I will close input sheet as well, and put one message box for understanding. And close both Excel sheets. Input is that output, and session name for input sheet is input. Save this and run the bot. Yes, data copy to output sheet. Close on both cells are completed. Bot run has been completed successfully.